Hi, how are you doing? No, genuinely speaking, how are you doing? How's your mental health doing? I think it's general knowledge to know that mental illness can affect anyone regardless of age or gender. It affects how we think, how we act, and how we cope in stressful situations. As adults, we have resources at our disposal. It's easy for us to seek for help, to call a therapist, to call the whole family and speak about how we feel. Well, this can be a little bit difficult or different when it comes to teenagers. They find it a bit more difficult to seek for help and to engage in mental health care services provided to them. Did you know that in 2019, suicide was the leading cause of death among teenagers? Tragic, isn't it? One of the leading causes of mental health among teenagers is social media. Well, that isn't rocket science. I bet we all know that. This research proposal seeks to uncover not only the detrimental effects but also the potential benefits that social media platforms offer to teenagers' mental health well being. Through comprehensive surveys, informal interviews with teenagers from diverse backgrounds, we will gather first hand experiences and different perspectives as raw data. By analyzing this data, we will identify patterns and correlations and causal factors as well. As adults, we often feel overstimulated by the curated images on social media. We have the mental capacity and the awareness to take a break, to step back, and to redirect our attention elsewhere. But have you met teenagers? Have you met the obsessive tendencies they have in relation to social media? It is worrying and it can cause feelings of inadequacy and feelings of isolation, which in turn could lead to suicide, in most cases at least. It is important to recognize that social media isn't inherently harmful. No, it isn't. It can provide valuable support, opportunities for self expression, and access to information and resources. With the data collected in this research, we can develop targeted interventions and policies to mitigate negative effects of social media on teenage mental health while leveraging its potential benefits. This research isn't just about understanding the problem. No, it isn't. It's also about crafting the solutions that empower our youth to navigate the social spaces confidently and safely. With your support, we can embark on this journey to discover and to foster a generation of resilient teenagers. As a community, we must pay attention to what is happening now and to do something different immediately. Thank you.